Corn and soybeans pulled back on Tuesday. AgDay's Michelle Rook is back with more on that and the drop in cattle in markets now.
Tuesday's market closes in grains were mixed, mostly lower in the livestock futures. Don Rose, U.S. Commodities, joining us. And Don, let's talk about the grains, corn and soybeans, almost feeling like we're trying to forge some sort of a harvest slow. Is it too early for that?
Well, I think when you look at it exactly, it's the timing of year. You don't want to be overly bearish. We got a key reversal in corn already, so that tells you we've got an intermediate or maybe a major low in. Soybeans, historically, it's been unprecedented. The first week of October, we put in a low, and so it feels like we're trying to work on that. It's work in progress, but that's the direction I think we're trying to go, more upside than downside potential here, Michelle.
What do you think about this cattle market? A down day on Tuesday. Was that risk-off selling pressure just because of the outside markets being down as hard as they were, including the stock market?
Well, the supply side of the market is well documented, just bullish, but there's two sides to the story, and the other side is the demand. And I think when you have the end of the week here, is the budget going to be extended or not? Interest rates higher. I think it's a real question mark on what's the demand side of the market look like. And futures were running a premium, and so we took some of that premium out of the market. Technicals are still weak here, funds still long, Michelle.
And with that being said, are the funds going to keep liquidating here? Are they getting those technical signals? Are you worried about downside risk here in that cattle market?
Well, I think you always have to be worried about it when you have premiums in the market, when the trade is so bullish, and you've got a lot of economic concerns out here. So I think most definitely you see some profit taking, and then we'll see if the support areas can hold. But it's a market that is maybe two steps forward, one back, and it's one back for right now.
Ron, you've got to believe, Don, end of month and end of quarter, some of those funds are going to maybe take some profits, right?
Yeah, most definitely. We see that quite frequently where they want the to get paid, and so they're putting the money in the bank and then start over again the next month. So particularly when you have a structure the way it is right now, sitting this long in the cattle market and the feeder cattle market.
No doubt. All right, thanks for joining us, Don Rose, U.S. Commodities. That is Markets Now, and we'll have more Ag Day coming up.
For all your risk management and trading needs, call one of the U.S. Commodities specialists at 800-247-4071.